Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. There is a lot of wiring in this animal for the amount of things that it did. And again, we'll probably get it out and then find out that it does something extraordinary that won't work anymore because of removing it from the thing here. Okay, so there it is. The cube is coming out the back. All right. Okay. It's held on by another couple spots here. Again, you have to be careful with these because if you clip it in the wrong spot, it will damage the fur on the outside, which is not recommended if you want to use it as a puppet. So what I'm trying to do is get the threads that are, there we go, attaching it without doing any more. Again, there is a whole network of wires here that I don't know what they do because I was not able to find buttons. But apparently there are buttons someplace. There's a whole bunch of them. And I feel something that goes all the way down to there to here. There's something in this spot right here, right at the where the bear has lost some fur. And there's one that goes up to the heart. So let's try this. Let's try this. Let's turn this back on since the batteries are still inside. Whoa! So that's that little mechanism there. Okay. And let's see, is there anything to do? I don't, oh, darn it. Just as I suspected, I think I tore a hole in the belly right there. I was trying to be very careful, but even then you have to take extra special care not to rush, and maybe I rushed a little bit too much. But I'm going to do it anyway. We're going to make a puppet out of this guy if I can get my hand in the back, which I might not be able to do. I'm going to try and oh, there it goes. This one I think is going to be stuck on my hand. Hold on. Oh dear. I can get my thumb in that arm there. I think I can get my fingers up into the, there we go. I got a couple fingers in there. There we go. Okay. So there's something up here. All sorts of wires up there in his eyes and his ears. I don't know what's going on with this thing. But there we go. So I've got a thumb in that. And my pinky's up there already. So I can do this. I can do this. And that's it. I think that's going to be the best job we can do with this little guy here. We're going to wave it around. It looks kind of weird with this little band-aid there. But there he is. The Paw Pals puppet. It's a Paw Pals puppet. And that's about it. I can make his face do something like that. Okay. Well, you know what, guys? Hey, thanks for coming along, guys and gals. For those of you who have been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you'll get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye.